You love the look of concrete countertops? We're going to show you a great DIY version using all-in-one paint. Stay with us. First steps to getting started, simply clean and degloss your countertop using our Surface Prep Deglosser. Then apply a base coat using the brush and roll technique of our color Cobblestone. Using 4 ounces of cobblestone, add in 1 teaspoon of texture additive. I want to get enough to get this done. Notice I am using a plastic bowl, something that you can clean out, throw away, whatever you wish to do. And I'm going to put a couple, we'll start with 1 spoon. 1 spoon of the texture medium in there. Just take my brush and mix that up. And as you can see, it's starting to get thicker, and that's what we're wanting. And just keep kind of putting on a random pattern on this with the thick medium. See, it's starting to grain up there. Look how thick my material is now. Go over your edges. You want to go over the whole thing. Now remember, this is not working in a circle here necessarily. This is just kind of giving a texture feel to the piece so it doesn't look like the old Formica that it was. Now what you want to do is you want to lay this knife kind of on a 45, and you're just going to lay and drag it across the project, whatever that might be. And you're just going to knock down the highs in this and give it a smoother finish. You don't want a rocky feeling top where you have your work surface. You want to make it smooth. It's going to have the look of texture, but actually it's going to feel pretty smooth to your hand. We'll only enhance that when we come back after this is dry. We'll enhance that look of texture with the antiquing gels that are in your bundle. So even though this isn't fully dry, you're still going to get it at this level. You don't want to wait till it dries. You couldn't knock it now and then. It's going to dry extremely hard and pretty fast. So now it's time to apply the antiquing gel to create an authentic concrete look. We're using our weathered wood antiquing gel and our Syntec brush and a dry, clean towel. Apply a liberal coat of the antiquing and remove in a circular motion with your dry towel. Next thing I'm putting on is the whitewash antiquing. Now you can do this any way you want, meaning you can hit it on just the highs, you can work it in. You just get the look you want. You're just going to give it that kind of that cured out looking concrete. Now this is the texture that you can work, like I said, work it down into all the lows, or you don't have to. So you just kind of, this is where you get creative. You make it look like you want your countertops. You can make them down as light, or keep them as dark and rich as you want. Look how beautiful that looks. That looks so great. Continue dry brushing using the white antiquing gel and hit the top surfaces of your countertop to add authenticity. Allow your final design to dry for 48 hours, then apply our water-resistant sealer as a final top coat. Using the brush and roll technique, add 3 coats 3 hours apart and allow 3 days to fully dry before wetting the surface. And finally, enjoy your new concrete countertops.